All eyes continue to be on Hurricane Beryl as it continues to push through the Yucatan Peninsula here this morning. We're probably about an hour or so away from landfall, and you can see Cozumel right here. Cancun is about here for you. And we are seeing that rapid weakening already. We were Category 3 overnight as Beryl kind of re-strengthened, and now as it approaches landfall, really kind of getting beat up by that Lantern action here. So still Category 2, but 110 miles an hour, gusts to 130, but that 110 is only focused about the 30 miles right around the center. Now, the tropical storm force winds go about 100 miles outside that center of the storm, but moving off to the west northwest at about 15 miles an hour. Now, we do expect some really rapid weakening here as it drops down to about a tropical storm probably by this afternoon and reemerges into the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow morning. Now, we do expect as this turns northward up towards Texas, that strengthening again back up to a Category 1 strength, 85 miles an hour on Monday morning. Now, the question mark, does this come ashore now in the Rio Grande Valley, or is it further off to the north, maybe up towards Corpus Christi on Tuesday? So something we'll be watching for our friends over there. Models very consistent, kind of keeping it offshore, Brownsville, and then bringing it up towards Corpus, at least right now. As you can see in the higher resolution models, that rapid weakening there. But watch what happens here. You get that core back together there on Sunday, and then moves off to the north. So it does look like another powerful storm pushing up towards the Texas area as we get it towards early next week. Now, again, this is no threat to us here in Southwest Florida. And speaking of Southwest Florida, let's take a look at the satellite and radar for us right now as we are looking at partly cloudy skies this morning. As we take a look at the next couple hours, it'll be sunny this morning and humid through the morning hours as temperatures climbing up to about 89 degrees by 11 o'clock. Ultimately, how about 94? Fort Myers, 93, Punta Gorda, 92 in the Naples area for you. Though when you add in humidity, feels like temperatures will be 105 to 110 out there today. So that's why we do have heat advisories across Southwest Florida for you again today. Making sure you drink plenty of water, staying hydrated, find the AC, cool off if you can. If you are heading out to the boat today, winds out of the south this morning, more out of the west this afternoon. Seas 1 foot or less, light chop those inland waterways, but this afternoon I will be watching showers and storms unlike we saw yesterday. It's timing this out for you here. So here's noontime. Starting to see them bubbling up near the coastline for you as we get it towards the afternoon, and then widespread shower storms heading into that 4 o'clock time frame. And those linger into the evening hours, but it looks like about 8 o'clock things start to wind down and it should be quiet the rest of the night. But looking at some locally heavy downpours, 1, 2, 3 inches worth of rain. So again, watching for some heavier thunderstorms this afternoon. So overnight tonight, we do expect thunderstorms early and then getting about 78 degrees, so not quite as warm as we saw through the overnight hours. And then this weekend, it's 92 on Saturday, 92 on Sunday, though feeling like 105 to 110 again through the weekend. And watch again those afternoon showers and storms both days for us after that 2 o'clock time frame. But as we look ahead towards the rest of the week, really kind of keeping rain chances 50-60% chance, not only just through the weekend, into early next week as well. So we're kind of in that typical rainy season pattern. As for your 7-day forecast, though, I am watching, again, those storm chances for you each and every day, plus temperatures kind of hanging out in the low to mid 90s through the afternoon.